Learning is the beginning of wealth. Learning is the beginning of health. Learning is the beginning of spirituality. Learning is where the miracle process all begins. With this beautiful and meaningful quote, good morning everyone present over here. Today, I, Nilkant Khacharia, is here to host today's morning assembly with a fundamental aspect of our journey, our passion for learning. Thoughts are mental cognition, our ideas, opinion and belief about ourselves and the world around us. So for today's thought, here I would like to call Priya Nandani from 9A.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is nothing great in the world had ever been accomplished without passion. I repeat, nothing great in the world had ever been accomplished without passion, such as she has a passion for gardening and singing. Thank you.
A single distinct uniform element of speech or writing is word. So for today's word, I would like to call Maheshwari from 9D.
Good morning. Today's word is enlightenment. E-N-L-I-G-H-T-E-N-M-E-N-T. Enlightenment. The philosopher Immanuel Kant defines enlightenment in his famous contribution in an essay entitled An Answer to the Question, which means anybody is ready to give answer to any question. I repeat my word, enlightenment. Thank you.
Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. So what is passion for learning? To highlight this, here is one of my friend Aryan from 9C.
A passion for learning is like having a strong and enthusiastic interest in discovering new things, exploring knowledge and continuously seeking to understand the world around you. It is the joy and excitement that comes from gaining insights, acquiring skills throughout the life. When we give wholeheartedly without expecting anything in return, we will experience faithful joy and happiness that we will not only last a lot longer, but will fill us with true happiness. Hence it is called the joy of giving. Here are some examples. The blind man is unable to cross the busy road. Suddenly, a student saw and decided to help. It is joy of giving, a passion. A boy coming from a shop with his father saw a small child is begging. Seeing this, the child gave some foodstuff to him. It is joy of giving, an inbuilt passion. The greater your passion for the cause you are giving to, the greater your sense of pleasure and fulfillment. If you have no passion, you will have no pleasure in your giving. Thank you.
The amazing facts highlight the intricate and fascinating aspect of learning, showcasing the brain's adaptability, the influence of various factors on learning process, and the dynamic interplay between cognition and the environment. So for some amazing facts on learning, here are Maitri, Rajvi and Niva from 9th F on stage.
Number 1. Neuroplasticity marvels. Passionate learning has been linked to enhanced neuroplasticity, allowing the brain to adapt and recognize itself, promoting cognitive flexibility and improved learning capabilities.
Number 2. Health benefits. Lifelong learning has been associated with positive health outcomes, including reduced stress levels and a lower risk of cognitive decline in later years.
Number 3. Ageless enthusiasm. Contrary to stereotypes, passion for learning knows no age limits. People of all ages can discover and pursue interests, challenging the notion that learning is confined to specified life stage. Thank you.
A poem is traditionally a rhythmical composition, sometimes rhyme expressing experiences, ideas or emotion in a style more concentrated. So here I would like to call Riva from 9B to recite a poem.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. I am Riva from 9th B to present a poem. Pound your feet against the wall as you tell me I know nothing. Passion is your alter ego. Passion hates me. Passion never fails to tell me when I'm wrong. Passion always tells me that I'm talented and strong. Passion picks up the broken pieces and puts them back together. Passion never fails to tell me that I'm pretty. Passion is never wrong and I am never right. Passion wants me to be honest and say what's on my mind. Passion never fails to tell me that passion loves me. Thank you.
The importance of passion for learning lies in its transformative power, shaping individuals and society in various ways. For more, here I would like to call Param, Janvi, Hansi and Kavya.
It enhances creativity. Learning fueled by passion often sparks creativity. It enables individuals to think critically, connect seemingly with unrelated ideas, and approach problems with innovative solutions. Thank you.
Critical thinking skill. Passionate learners develop strong critical thinking skill. They question, analyze and evaluate information, fostering a deeper understanding of complex issues and making informed decisions. Thank you.
Intrinsic motivation. Passion for learning serves as a powerful intrinsic motivation. When individuals are genuinely interested for a subject, they are more likely to be self-motivated, engaged, and persistent in their pursuit of knowledge. Thank you.
Continuous growth. It is the passion for learning fosters a mindset of continuous growth. It encourages individuals to seek out new challenges, explore diverse perspectives, and adapt to evolving circumstances, promoting lifelong learning. Thank you.
News is the awareness of day-to-day events, which is important in our life. So for news, here I would like to call Ria from 9B.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are as follows. National news. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Sri Kalki Dham Temple in Uttar Pradesh, Sambhal district. International news. A UK registered Lebanese operated cargo ship was reported to be under attack in Bab al-Mandab Strait off the coast of Yemen. Business news. India rejects the European Free Trade Association data exclusivity requirement to preserve the interest of domestic generic pharma companies. Sport news. Indian women's team created history by winning the first ever Badminton Asia Team Championship with 3-2 victory over Thailand Shah Alam Malaysia. Thank you.
Teacher Talk is the essential unit to inspire the student in teaching factor process. So to end up our assembly, I would like to call our today's assembly mentor Mandira ma'am to focus more on passion.
Passion is the fire that ignites dreams, the driving force that transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Good morning, one and all present over here, respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear students. Today, I want to speak a few lines in front of you. First of all, I want to thanks and the blessings to the participants, those who participated today. It's a joy for me to give them blessings and the thanks. Next, I want to give you, already you have seen the students, they said the amazing and the importance of the passion. I want to give you two example for about the passion. An individual who has an insatiable love for the books, constantly exploring various types of books, such as adventurous books, stories, prose, poetry, different types of book. He's having the passion to read. They are book enthusiasts. It's a passion for them. Secondly, another individual fascinated, or some group of people, they are fascinated by the historical events. Constantly they are searching the history books, visiting museums, historical places, and they are actively participating in the different discussions. They are history buff. It's a passion for them. Third example, kindness. It is also a type of passion for someone. Always being selfless, caring, compassionate, and unconditionally kind. Such as, pick up some heavy bags for your elderly neighbor. When you do this act, somehow we will feel satisfaction, it's a joy. Another, if a child give his books to such a child, when he not need that books, if he decide to give the books to another child who is unable to buy this, so that is a joy for him when he give his the books to the students. So this is a kindness. Also he feel joy for giving. At last, I want to say, people with great passion can make the impossible happen by giving, by helping, by learning. Thank you.
Being well dressed influences your body language and improves the way you carry yourself. So today's well dressed students are Param from 9D and Janvi from 9I. So here is the end of our today's assembly. Thank you for being a passionate audience. National Anthem has the power to instill a sense of pride, patriotism and passion, whether it be on the sport pitch or at school assembly. So be ready for the National Anthem. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.